Hello, this is Jake with ARI, and today we'll be covering how to edit the order of your navigation menu. To do so, we'll go back to our dashboard and go down to Site and Navigation. Next, we'll go over to Hide All Children to adjust the order of your primary navigation buttons without dragging those primary buttons into your drop-down menus. From here, we'll go ahead and move New Models directly above Inventory. From here, all we need to do is save and publish. Once published, when we go ahead and refresh our home page, that new models portion will now move directly in front of inventory, listed right here. Next, if we wish to go ahead and move any of our drop-down menus or child pages into a brand new primary navigation menu or into another drop-down menu, we'll select Show All Children. And if we wish to move Factory Promotions to its own button, we would left click and drag until that button is either outdented, like so, that is now its own primary navigation button. If we wish to move Factory Promotions into another drop-down menu, we would just left click and drag under maybe Shop Online. Drop it in, and as long as it is indented, like so, it will then be a part of that drop-down menu. From here, save navigation, and publish changes. Last, if you want to go ahead and add a primary navigation menu item into your drop-down menu, such as Home, you can left click and drag directly under, let's say, New Models. And as long as it's indented like so, it will then become a drop-down menu or child page. To finish everything, save navigation and publish. Thank you for watching.